Hey folks, Joe Rogan here. Today we're diving into something you might think you know, but trust me, there's a lot more beneath the surface. Let's talk about Pepsi. Everyone knows Pepsi, right? That blue can, the fizz, the taste, it's iconic. But have you ever stopped to wonder what makes Pepsi so much more than just a drink you grab at the store or at a party? Here's the thing, Pepsi isn't just that sugary, refreshing drink you remember from your childhood. It's the tip of the iceberg. Behind that can is a story of innovation, marketing genius, and a company that's constantly evolving to stay ahead of the curve. We're talking serious business here. PepsiCo, the powerhouse behind the brand, is a global giant. Their reach stretches across continents with products in nearly every country you can think of. They're not just selling soda, they're shaping the way the world snacks and sips. And get this, they're not just in the soda game. We're talking snacks, baby. Think about Lay's potato chips, those crispy, salty bites you can't stop eating. That's PepsiCo too. Doritos with their bold flavors and crunch. Quaker Oats fueling your mornings. Gatorade keeping athletes hydrated and energized. All of these are part of the PepsiCo family. The list goes on and on. From breakfast to late night snacks, PepsiCo is everywhere. On your table, in your fridge, and probably in your pantry right now. So next time you crack open a Pepsi, remember, you're sipping on a piece of a much bigger story. That's right, folks, PepsiCo isn't messing around. They're not just some American company, they're worldwide. We're talking over 200 countries and territories. That's insane. They're selling more than just soda, they're selling a lifestyle, and people are buying it, literally. PepsiCo's products are flying off the shelves. They're making billions, folks. Billions. Pepsi has been a household name for well over a century, and its journey is nothing short of remarkable. From its humble beginnings in the late 1800s, Pepsi has witnessed and adapted to an ever-changing world. Through the Roaring '20s, the Great Depression, and the rise of pop culture, Pepsi has always found a way to stay relevant and connect with new generations. The company has weathered global conflicts, economic downturns, and massive shifts in consumer tastes. Wars, recessions, you name it, Pepsi has seen it all and managed to keep its brand alive and thriving. Despite all these challenges, Pepsi continues to stand tall. The brand keeps growing, expanding into new markets, and consistently generating impressive profits. Their ability to innovate and adapt has kept them at the forefront of the beverage industry. That kind of resilience and success says a lot about a company. It's not just about selling soda, it's about building a legacy that lasts through generations, earning trust and forging partnerships that stand the test of time. Unlike many brands that have faded away, Pepsi remains bold, vibrant, and instantly recognizable. They're not some fly-by-night operation, they're the real deal, a true survivor in a tough industry. In the fast-paced, ever-evolving business world, that kind of staying power is rare, and it's what makes Pepsi's legacy truly extraordinary. So the big question, is Pepsi stock a good investment? It's something a lot of investors wonder, especially when looking for stability and growth in their portfolios. PepsiCo is a household name, and its stock has been a staple in the market for decades. But what makes it stand out from the crowd, and is it really the right choice for you? Well, for starters, Pepsi has a long and impressive history of paying dividends to its shareholders. In fact, they've increased their dividend payouts for over 50 consecutive years, making them a dividend aristocrat. That's a big deal for anyone who values steady income from their investments. Consistent dividends are always a good sign, showing that the company is financially healthy and committed to rewarding its investors. It's a mark of reliability that not every company can claim. And if you look at their stock price, you'll notice it's been steadily climbing for years. Even during tough economic times, Pepsi has managed to weather the storm and keep growing, which speaks volumes about their business model and resilience. Beyond just soda, PepsiCo owns a diverse portfolio of brands. Think snacks like Lay's, Quaker Oats, and Gatorade. This variety helps them stay strong even if one product line faces challenges. They're a solid company with global reach, and they're not going anywhere anytime soon. But remember, no investment is without risk. It's important to do your own research. Look at their financial statements, understand the risks, and consider how Pepsi fits into your overall investment strategy. Markets can be unpredictable, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Still, if you're searching for a company with a proven track record, strong brand recognition, and a commitment to rewarding shareholders, Pepsi is definitely worth a closer look. Just saying, it could be a refreshing addition to your portfolio.